So here we've got an ash log that we chopped the tree down a couple of years ago. So obviously this tree's had an injury on this side when it's, you know, obviously when it's been I don't know how big it would have been, you can probably work it out if you're an expert. Maybe the tree were only that big. Had an injury. See how the growth rings come around, you know, tree grows around here. Look. It even had bark on the inside here, which is knocked off. So in the middle you get this other bit, like pulpy, just basically pure rotted down tree. And I've just sliced it cross section, see what that's occurring. So here you can see here these eventually kind of do the little magic and rejoin to complete the concentric growth rings. And that's where it all seems to get this, like hit this middle line, do a bit of summit, and then just join back up.